Hi everyone, well today we're checking tag comparatives. Okay, tag comparatives with long adjectives. Let's start. Let's start. The structure is known to be more long adjective than noun. Okay, let's write our first example. Luis Miguel is more famous than Peso Pluma. Luis Miguel is more famous than Peso Pluma. Example number 2. Health is more important than money. Health is more important than money. Example 3. Dogs are more intelligent than horses. Dogs are more intelligent than horses. Example 4 and last. The white car is more expensive than the blue car. The white car is more expensive than the blue car. Well, there is one more. There's one more. Sorry. Okay, a Rottweiler is more dangerous than a French poodle. A Rottweiler is more dangerous than a French poodle. Okay, my dear friends, those were all the examples for these times. To watch next video, click where the arrow points. See you in the next video. Bye.